Students, continuing with illustration number 2nd, point number 7th is sold goods on credit to Messrs. Ramesh and Company for rupees 25,000. So students, in this transaction, one account is Ramesh and Company, other is sales account. Ramesh and Company is debtor, it's an asset, so it will be debited. Sales is our income, so whenever income increases it is credited. So with the amount 25,000 in each. Then next point is Messrs. Ramesh and Company returned goods for 5,000 being defective. So whenever we are making sales, it can come back in the form of sales return. So the goods were defective, Ramesh returned it back to us. So sales return account will be debited to Messrs. Ramesh and Company. Sales return, it's coming into our business, again becoming our asset, so it will be debited. Or you can say our income is reducing, so it is debited. So it will be debited with rupees 5,000. Next is goods returned to Messrs. Hari and Company at cost price 4,000. Now we are returning the goods to Hari and Company. Hari and Company was our creditor. We are reducing our liability because we are sending the goods back to him for rupees 4,000. So liability is getting reduced, so the account will be debited. Purchases return. Our expense was purchases. Now this expense is being reduced, so expense is reduced, so it will be credited with rupees 4,000. Next is paid salary to staff by check. So salary is being paid. So whenever the salary is paid, the salaries is an expense. Expense is debited, it is paid through check. So bank account, bank balance is reducing, it will be credited with 15,000 each. Now the next is paid rent for the residence of Nitin for 10,000 by check. Nitin is the owner, he is paying rent for his residence from bank account of the business. So this will be called as his drawings. So drawings account, his capital is being reduced with the drawings, so drawings will be debited. Bank balance is getting reduced, so it will be credited. So entry will become drawings debit to bank account. Next is paid electricity charges for the month 1,000 in cash. So electricity charges or expense is our expense. It will be debited. Cash is going out of our business. It is reducing, so cash will be credited. Next is paid telephone charges 500 in cash. So telephone expenses debit to cash because cash is getting reduced due to this expense. Next, bought office furniture for 25,000 against check. So furniture is being purchased, asset is coming into our business, it will be debited. We are paying it in check, so bank balance is getting reduced, asset is reducing, so bank will be credited. So entry will become furniture account debited to bank account. Thank you students.